An update to a story our Hannah McDonald has been following since last week. Metro Public Health sent environmental health inspectors out today to Triune Residuals Management after residents complained about respiratory issues from a burn in the Donaldson area. But inspectors concluded the fire did not cause a public health threat, and what was being burned was in fact clean wood. Well, the snow may be melting, but problems from the winter weather are hanging around. Because of water main breaks, multiple communities have gone days without running water. Hannah McDonald traveled to Lynnville in Giles County, where the city's small staff has taken matters into their own hands.
Historic Lynnville is drying out after a historic storm.
I think one time it snowed here since '85 that we got 8 inches, but it didn't have the freezing weather. This is the train. Here's where the train is, right here.
If there's someone who knows right Lynnville inside and out, it's Robert White.
That's a real challenge within itself.
And right now, the 80-year-old mayor knows his town is out of water.
The freezing cold, frigid weather is what's caused the whole problem.
Most of Lynnville's residents get their water from the Fairview Utility District out of Pulaski. Several water main breaks due to the cold drain that supply. For now, bottled water by the truckload is the best this town can do.
Without water, until you don't have it, you don't realize. You don't realize.
The works also included going around the community to find all of the water shutoff valves. When the water comes on, they don't want another mess to clean up. And although this is a small town, that's a lot of ground to cover.
We're trying to mark them so we'll know where they're at, so that if we have an issue on a street, we will be able to shut it off without wasting any of the precious water that we just got.
There are 42 miles of water line in Lynnville.
That's a fire plug, that's a fire plug, that's a fire plug.
What matters to the mayor are the 550 people along the route.
We just have to hope that we can get through this without losing somebody, without somebody passing away, because I'm not interested in having to bury somebody because they lost water.
It will take time for the utilities' water tanks to fill back up. Unfortunately, Lynnville is also at the end of the line.
This is the Lynnville Cemetery donation for water.
Wow. Thank you, sir.
And this is from Lynnville First Baptist Church for water.
Wow, we really appreciate that.
So while Lynnville may be out of water, because of generous community members, they haven't lost hope.
Thank you so much.
Can't wait for Pulaski to get some water.
I know, me either.
Well, thanks so much. Well, you love you for coming. You guys take care of each other here.
This community is pulled together and really gets along really well.
In Lynnville, Hannah McDonald, News Channel 5.
Small towns are a special kind of resilient. Anyone in Lynnville who needs water can pick up a free case at the train depot. Right now, there are 18 communities all across Tennessee, either under a boil water advisory or just without water, and that includes the city of Erin and Houston County. In this update from TEMA tonight, 36 deaths in Tennessee have now been blamed on the winter weather.